Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your spirit stat in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is in the Petalton Workshop southwest of the Pororin village in the region of Hernan. Interact with the research director. All you need to do is complete this research node that unlocks once you complete the first two. These first two are simple research that only requires you to wait for the progression bar to complete and talk to a single NPC. After you've done both, start the research for the last node. You can skip half of the progression bar by sleeping on the bed next to the director. You'll be notified that the research has halted. Just follow the quest tracker which points you to this NPC. Now collect the wild ginseng on the location pointed in the map. After you collected the ginseng, deliver it back to the NPC. This will resume the research and you'll eventually be notified that the research is completed. All you have to do is complete the research by talking to the research director again, clicking the node, and confirming the completed research. This is an essential part of progression since all three stats are capped at a certain level which needs to be unlocked by completing research in the institutes around Pywell. And that's how to increase your spirit stat in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.